Dolls fight. Once upon a time, a puppeteer stopped by a friend's man's house on his way to a work meeting. A puppeteer is a person who does a puppet show in a show shed. Hey, how are you? Oh, it's you. It's been a while. How's it going? How's the economy? Thankfully, I'm busy as it is. I see. If you don't mind, please stay over tonight. I want to do that, but now I'm here for a work meeting. I have to go out soon. Well then, come again tomorrow. Until then, I'll keep the doll box of the luggage. No, but this is more important than my life. If that's the case, it's more. I'll take good care of you until the meeting is over. If you say so much, you can't say you'll take it. So the puppeteer gave the doll box to the man and left. At night, the man decided to put the doll box he had kept by his bedside and sleep. Then in the middle of the night, at the man's bedside, gasagasha, gosso gozo, and there was a sound like a mouse rampaging. When the man jumped up, he immediately checked the doll box, but the doll box is safe. Okay. The doll box is safe. When the man was relieved, he fell asleep again. Then again, after a while, gasha gasha, gosso gozo, and I can hear the sound. Moreover, it seems that the sound can be heard from inside the doll box. Perhaps a mouse sneaked into the doll box? It's a big deal if an important doll is named by a mouse. When the man turned on the light, he took the lid of the doll box and checked the inside. Fortunately, there are no rats inside, and a lot of dolls are lined up neatly. Oh dear, it's hard to get over it. The relieved man closed the lid of the box and tried to sleep again, but this time it was slapstick in the box. Slapstick. And isn't there a sound of something rampaging? Well, what is it? There should only be a doll in the box. The man became creepy, but he still opened the lid of the box. Then, what do you think? The samurai doll inside and the thief doll are staring at each other fiercely, opening their small mouths and trying to bite each other. Wah! What is this doll? Hey, stop it! Why don't you stop? The man involuntarily grabbed the two dolls and pulled them out of the box. Then the doll becomes quiet as if it were dead, and it won't move even if a man touches it. What does this mean? It's true that the doll was fighting earlier, wasn't it? Like a Kirakiri doll. I can't see it. Anyway, it's not good to put these two together. The man kept an eye on the two dolls without sleeping, leaving the two dolls outside. The next morning, the puppeteer who finished his errands came back. So when the man talked about what happened yesterday, the puppeteer said with a relieved face, "It's a good decision to let the doll out. Thanks to you, the important doll won't break. Actually, this doll is between enemies, and if you put it in the same box, they will fight and shatter the opponent. I usually put it in a different box, but I remembered that I accidentally put it in the same box, and I was worried about what was going on." The man who heard it asked while sweating coldly all over his body even now, "So, wasn't that still a dream?" Then the puppeteer answered while putting the two dolls in another doll box, "Oh, a doll has a soul if you use it for a long time. In the puppet show, these dolls are enemies, so they always fight when they put them in the same box. If you're a puppeteer, anyone can experience this much." After that, the puppeteer came to visit the man's house many times, but the man never tried to keep the doll again. The end.